presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe LT, power, luxury, and reliability in one bold SUV. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Sure, here's a version of your description condensed to fit within 1,000 characters. Behold the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe LT, powerful, stylish, and ready to roll. Under the hood is a robust Ecotec 5.3L flex fuel V8 engine pushing 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque. Dressed in sleek black with a jet black leather interior, it's as luxurious as it is tough. Factory features include heated power front seats, a premium Bose sound system, an advanced infotainment setup, sunroof, rearview camera, and a power liftgate for added convenience. It's in excellent overall condition and comes with a clean Carfax report for peace of mind. Don't miss your chance to own this beast. Come see it today. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.